If you start YouTube and after a while you saw progress on your channel, then YouTube makes some new rules. Broke your plans, your morale, and you getting tired of everything. I tell you something. See you soon. This is for everyone who ever heard the words "is not good enough." Even from parents, teachers, or your friends. Sometimes those opinions can change your life, but not necessarily. You can do something even if it seems impossible. Of course, if you like to do this. If not, you will find an excuse. Look at yourself in 5-year or 10-year time and ask yourself a question. Is that what I want to do? If his answer yes, continue with the more passion than you had before. If his answer no, you have to find your real answer. Sometimes you look in YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you see some people so successful. But it's slow for you. Don't let it discourage you. Even if it's sometimes challenging and you think you cannot do it. Yes, you can do it. When we're speaking about YouTube, there is no limit line. There's no rating. There is no time when you should make a video or not. There is no boss over you. Just you and your thoughts. So next time when you think about negative things, please stop. Think about what do you love and what are you good at. Do you know I started YouTube in 2010? But those views and subscribers I got in 1 year only. Not that much before. Believe me, my journey has not been a simple journey of progress. There have been many ups and downs. Then you choose. You're gonna sacrifice your time and work and make a progress, or just give up. I choose first one, and my advice to do same as I do. I met so many peoples and culture. I learned so many things that I never heard before. I saw some places that I can just dream about. Places, but I feel just like I'm there. Guys, if you still didn't get motivated with this video, please check my other videos. You can find these videos in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.